back again. It's burning season, as you can tell. That must mean it's end of March, I think, burning season, I can't remember. No, end of September, I think. Anyway, they're all burning. I managed to get 5 bags of horse manure yesterday. That's all he had up at the time, because he had no bags, because I've got a load here. So I'm going to put them all in one bag in a bit and take them up. And we can bag them up for us ready for next week. Said he's got loads up there, so we've got 5 bags. Stinks in here. I've got 5 bags, so we stuck it in here. Get that spread about. Whoa, what was that? These beds have been cleared now. That's all our pumpkins and the small ones and marrows. That's been done. Just needs scraping off weeds. I'll do that after. Leaving that backer in for the time being, because I've nowhere to put leaves on. I don't want to waste it. There's a lot of leaves on there. So it's doing no harm. It's still growing. That one still needs raking over. I'll do that in a minute. But I've got to brew first. That's my brew done. And that's my dirty hands, because I've just hand-picked all of this out of here and riddled it. So these are all clear now. There's the evidence. So what have we got? This one's done, that one's done. It's planted up. That one's done, that's done. That's done, that's done. So all I've got to do is pick weeds off top of this one. That back is staying in for a bit. Them leeks are staying in. And I've left them 2 little cabbage in there, because why not? They're growing. And the Savoy cabbage then. I've just got that one off. The bottom one. Bonnet cabbage. Bit of white fly on them, but Carol be full of white fly. Never mind. So yeah, so I'm going to have that brewing a fag and then take all these weeds off, and then we're weed free. Just bagged all them bags up, and all empty compost bags. No weeds down here. So once I've done that, promise fulfilled. Weed free before I go back to work. So Henry's getting some cardboard boxes off shop, local shop up road. He goes every day for his paper, so he'll just put them on here as he gets them. Just put them on every bed except these, obviously. Like onions in here and garlic in there. But everything else can be covered up. And then we'll take it off as we need it. Oh, and I'll tidy up in here too before I go today. All these empty pots and that off tomatoes. I'm gonna go clean in here. But first, you know what it is. Still burning up there. Still weeding down here. So that's done. We established that. And that one's done now. So, tell you what, worth the waiting gold on things. Scrape all your weed sticks out, shovel it in, riddle it out, throw your weeds in the compost. Belting. Right. That's all the beds done. So one last job. That can. One last job is tidy up in here, and then we're all done. But first, it's another brew. 8. Let's have a water out plot now. Make sure we're weed free. Don't worry about that pond. It's all wildflowers. tied it out in here. Thin some peppers out, what we're doing so good. And these are still doing alright. Took that last cucumber out, that's gone. All these beds now, we'll dig these out because it's been in about 3 years now, this. For like 4 years, that compost. So we'll take that out, top some beds off with it, and we'll top them up with fresh stuff this year. In spring. So that's tidy. It's tidy in there, it just needs a bit of a weed in there, but I'll go around my salt in a bit. Because I'm going to go around my salt in there. So this will kill the rest of them weeds off. Tidy there. Tidy down there. They've been pulled out of that bed and ready to come out. So they're just drying out. Tidy down there. I'm going to fill them with horse manure next week. I'm going to take in them bags after. So we can fill them for us for next week. And then everywhere else is tidy. So we're going to get some cardboard this week off AJ. You can cover all them beds what we're not using. So there you go. That's how you should leave your plot, if you can, in winter. Because soon bad weather will be coming, you'll not be in the mood for doing any jobs. So they're all done now. So I can go back work happy. I won't go home now, it's about 11 o'clock. Got about 4 hours this morning. But at least we got it all done. Take that bag of rubbish home. And then I've been painting some pots at home, I'll show you at home. That's what I was doing yesterday while I was bored, it was raining and that. So, just been sprucing some pots up. So I'll see you back there. Hey, back home. Basically what I've been doing, I got some stone paint called Sea Stone, and that was pink because it's plastic. It's supposed to be terracotta, but it's gone like salmon pink. So I painted that green one, and painted that big one there. And I've also got Muppet. Painted a few at back as well. Oh, Bobby. Yeah, I painted that one because that was blue and didn't fit in anywhere. And that one because that was salmon pink. Horrible colour, just faded. There you go, I'm on with painting that one next because that was all faded black. So, good colour that though, isn't it? Sea Stone, Leyland Paints, 10-year guarantee. Right, that's me for this week. I'm not seeing you tomorrow because there's nothing to do, so see you next week.